Maybach Media.
What can I do to stop snoring? In most cases, the person Googling this is not the person snoring, but maybe a partner or a lover or a friend, or a housemate or somebody, special to you, you're sharing the house with and they can't stop snoring. Those are the kind of people who Google this question. So the easiest way to stop snoring is changing your body position. Okay, if you find your partner snoring, there's a trick that always works. Just push them. Put your hand on the shoulder and the hip, and roll them over. It stops automatically. Okay, it just stops automatically. But you can't do this every. You can't wake up in the middle of the night to push someone, not unless they are really irritating you. So other ways is elevating your head. Okay, um, you know, if you don't have a bed that elevates the head part, then putting like two pillows or three pillows could help. Okay, um, then mostly sleep on your side. Most people who snore, they sleep uh, flat. They don't. Mostly they don't do um, turns when they're sleeping. So that is why rolling them over works. If you find somebody snoring and you just roll them over, because snoring is mostly, um, you know, a situation where uh, you can help someone. It's not like a sickness. It doesn't need a doctor for it to go away. If you just roll someone over, it stops, and that works. And so if it works, it's something you might want to try. If you have a partner or a friend or whoever you have that is really snoring. Okay, so snoring could also be caused by excessive weight. If you're too heavy when you sleep, because you sort of give in, then your body slumps, and then your breathing tract then is clogged with pressure because of your excessive weight. So one of the ways to stop snoring is to actually lose weight. So cut back or cut out alcohol consumption. Alcohol also causes a lot of snoring. Reduce or avoid nasal congestion by treating allergies, using humidifier, decongestion medication, or sinus rinses. Now, most people do this part only. Not every snoring is caused by only this. So you find people really focused on treating allergies or buying stuff to fix their sinus, or using anticongestion medication. Before you do all that, just try the simple methods like rolling over, losing excessive weight, because people try this and then it fails and then they think, oh, I must be sick with something else. No, you just need to try different remedies instead of focusing on one. Okay, avoid medication that such as diazepam, Valium, that relaxes muscles around the airways. Okay, um, there are people who have challenges with finding sleep, and so they like using pills to help them sleep. Now, these pills could be the cause of snoring in your situation, because they cause the muscles around your airway to relax so much that then the next option is just snoring. Okay, use a snoring device, whether an over-the-counter solution or one recommended by your doctor, or dentist, and that kind of a thing. So that could also help with reducing snoring, or doing away with it altogether. So that's how you can do. That's what you can do to stop snoring. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Maybach Media.